Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 7th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, we talked about HTML paragraphs. So in this tutorial, we will talk about text formatting. So let's get started. Okay guys, in the previous tutorial, I told you that I will teach you how to add some extra spaces here. Okay, here, because in the last tutorial when we tried to save it and refresh the page here, there was nothing. You see, there's no space added here. So to add that space, we will put this non-breakable space. Okay, this symbol and NBSP. Okay, let me save this and watch here. Okay, watch here, refresh. You can see there is a little space here, so the space between another and paragraph compared to this one, you will see this one is smaller and this one is wider. So let's add another one here, same one. You can see another space added. Let me copy this one and then let me paste it here. You see, another space has been added. So you can add space using this one if you need extra space. Okay, what if you want this paragraph to be shown below this one? To do that, you simply write this BR tag, that is break tag. Simple. You save it and then it will be displayed. If you want more space here, you just write it again, BR. By the way, this one is not this one is a self-closing tag. You see, another space is added here. All right, now let me show you something else. What if you want to highlight this one, paragraph? Okay, first let me refresh. Let me save this one, then refresh it. Now if you want to highlight this, okay, let me show you how to do that. You simply say mark and then you close it here, mark, then you save it. See this one, how it will look after I refresh. You see it has been marked. Okay, so that's how you mark a certain word. Okay, what if you want this paragraph to be italicized? So to do that, you just say M, that is M tag, which stands for empathy. You emphasize it and then we save it, refresh. You can see this one has been emphasized. Okay, there is another way to do it. It will show you the same result. You can use I for italicize. You can italicize it using I. Save it, refresh. You can see it is the same result. So you can do more research on the difference between M tag and I tag. Okay, and then what if you want to bold this word? Again, there are two ways to do that. You can use B for bold. You open and close, save it. You can see this one has been bolded. And let me show you the other way. You can say strong. Okay, strong. Wait, strong. Save it. There's no difference. So you can go and do more research too on the difference between strong and bold. Alright? Yeah. What if you want this one to be underlined? Let me show you how you can do that. By the way, these styling tags are very many, so I will not cover all of them. You can go to Google and search. You can go and search HTML formatting, and then you will get more. And then we close this one, refresh. You can see it is underlined. Yeah guys, I hope you have learned something today. In the next tutorial, we will talk about anchor tags and hyperlinks. So I will see you there.